Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have some new goodies to try from WhatsUp Beauty. They sent me their latest eyeshadow palette. This is the SKYFIRE eyeshadow palette, and they also sent me their Watch Me mascara. This comes in 3 different shades: black, burgundy, and brown. I am keeping the black one because that's primarily what I wear, but I did already gift the brown and burgundy to a couple of my colleagues. Let's take a peek inside this beautiful SKYFIRE palette. I like that WhatsUp Beauty keeps their palette small, compact, but they're also giving us a good number of shades to play with. What I also like about this brand is that they have a consistent formula, really nice matte and shimmer formula, easy to work with. This is a very beginner friendly formula, and that they also provide very how do I want to say, like earth toned, neutral, matte shadows to kind of ground the look. And then your shimmers are going to be your more colorful pops of color, if you will. You're also going to get a matte black in this one that you could easily use as a liner or lay it down as a base for one of these beautiful shimmer shadows. I will be creating 2 looks with this palette, hopefully give you guys some inspo. If you are wanting to buy this palette and anything on the WhatsUp Beauty website, they did give me a new affiliate code, and it is Steff's Beauty Stash, and that will save you 10% off of your order. If you guys want to see how this palette is going to perform, keep on watching. Okay, so this first look is going to be just a single eye look, and then the second look I will do both eyes fully. And the reason for that is I was meant to film this before I went to work, but I am filming this now that I am home from work, so I'm a little short on time, and I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm just going to wash this right off. So let's start. I'm loving the lilac shade in here, but then I also like this like burgundy brownish shade, and I think I want to start with this one. It's called Horizon, and I'm using a WhatsUp Beauty R103 brush. If you are interested in replacing or just adding some new natural hair brushes to your stash, I think these from WhatsUp Beauty are pretty awesome. I've had them in my stash for a few years now. They wash up well, whether I'm just spot cleaning them or shampooing them. They hold their shape, and they've been some really awesome brushes. I like the hot pink handle on them. If you're familiar with Refer brushes, you guys know I use that all the time, that brand all the time in my videos. But I also, if you've watched me over the years, I've used these brushes as well, and these are very similar to Refer brushes. So whichever you can get your hands on at a better price, I would say definitely go that route. But I've had a really nice experience with my WhatsUp Beauty brushes. Now I'm taking that matte black shade, it's called Midnight, on a Refer 13 brush. I'm going to use that right here in the outer corner. I do have lashes on, obviously. See this look right here? This whole makeup, like on this side, this is how I've been going to work lately. Just doing a lash and playing up the blush and bronzer, bold lip. And this has just been easy for me and what works right now that I'm going through my shoulder problems and stuff. This is just a quick and easy look for me when I'm not able to do a colorful makeup look. But I am so glad that WhatsUp Beauty sent me their new palette, and I was anxious to try it out for you guys. Okay, so I think we have a good base going on. Let's play with these beautiful shimmer shadows. I think I am gonna dive into, I'm gonna do this shade right here, Stars. Ooh, and it feels really creamy too. I'm gonna apply that right here. Oh my God, look at the sparkle. So I'm gonna recommend glitter glue. And obviously I didn't put any on because I'm taking this look right off. And, but wow. That sparkle is so intense. That's awesome. And you can very well just use your finger to apply. Look at that. That is beautiful. Let's get something going on this lower lash line. So on my WhatsUp Beauty R107, I'm gonna go into this shade right here for the lower lash line. And I didn't even put mascara on my lower lash line today. I actually did, but I didn't like the way it came out because some of my lash glue got on my lashes, and so it looked like a hot mess and I had to remove it before I left. So with that same brush, I'm gonna try this shade right here for the inner corner. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner to the bottom waterline. And then I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay, so here is the completed look number 1. I did a little bit of Urban Decay Alkaline, this one right here, in the lower waterline. My lashes are Ardell Wispy lashes, and the mascara I'm using is from Tarte. It's their Lights Camera Lashes. It's the tubing mascara, and it's a really good one. I love it. I love the sparkle in these shimmers. I think they have upgraded the shimmer formula since the last palette that I tried, but I'm really excited for look number 2. So let's get started right now, and I will wear test that look for you. All right, so let's start working on look number 2. I'm wearing very neutral colors to work today, so anything would go. I think I'm going to use these 2 shades. This one in the crease, this one just really blow it out in the inner corner. So let's start there. And I'm using the shade Haze on a WhatsUp Beauty R103. Actually, you know what? I think I'm just going to take this shade all the way through. That's turning out a little deeper than I thought it was, and that's okay. Okay, the next shade I'm going to use is, I've already used every matte shade except for this one, and I could just leave this for the lower lash line. I think I'm going to, I guess I'll use a little bit of this in the outer corner and the crease. I'm using a Refer 13 brush to apply. Okay, I think we have a nice blend going on. Now we need to choose some shimmer shadows. They all look so pretty. I have not used these in here, so I think I'm going to start with this shade called Galaxy. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to start applying that out here. Oh, and I forgot to lay down glitter glue. That's okay. It looks really pretty. Okay, very nice. Let's go into this one right here. This is going to be a real pretty blue. I'm going to pick up this shade and just darken up the crease, clean things up a bit, outer corner. Now for the lower lash line, this is the only matte shade I haven't used, but I doubt it's going to show too much. And I'm going to take it on the WhatsUp Beauty R107. Yeah, it's a pretty neutral shade. It would look nice in the crease, but I think I can make it work down here. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go into, I think, this shade here. I'm actually going to take a little bit of that shade. Actually, no, I'm going to take a little bit of this one. We haven't used this one. I'm going to dab it right here in the center to give it that added bit of sparkle. Okay guys, I'm going to try the new mascara. And actually, before I go off camera, let me just show it to you real quick. This is their Watch Me mascara. So I've had this one. I have it in my stash, but it's probably time for me to declutter it. But that's what the wand looks like. So I'll be applying this off camera. If it's the same thing, I think the colors were new, but I've always had a black tube of this, and it's been a really good mascara. So let me complete the final touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 2. This is the look I will wear test for you today. I added a small lash along with the new mascara. This is the Kiss My Lash But Better in the So Real style. And it really is a very natural lash just to help give my lashes a little bit of fullness. Black eyeliner from L'Oreal on the top lash line, and for the lower waterline, a LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner, purple eyeliner in the shade Vivid. Love it, love the look. I need to finish getting ready for work, but I will check in with you guys at the end of my day and give you my final thoughts on the new SKYFIRE palette from WhatsUp Beauty. Hey guys, so 10-hour check-in here with this new SKYFIRE palette from WhatsUp Beauty, also using their mascara. No flaking, no fallout. I think the eye look looks just as good as it did this morning when I created it. And I think it's a really nice palette. Again, WhatsUp Beauty always makes these small, concise palettes. While they're still giving you a good number of shades, they keep the matte shades more neutral. And then your fun pops of color are going to be those beautiful shimmers, which I do think that they have improved their shimmer formula, because I thought it was really good payoff this morning. Using my finger to apply the shimmers worked out really well. I do recommend using a glitter glue with it though. If you are interested in this palette, mascara, or anything on the WhatsUp Beauty website, I do recommend checking out their brushes. Their natural hair brushes work really well. They clean up really well. You can use my affiliate code Steff's Beauty Stash, and that will save you 10% off over on their website. They have really nice nail polishes as well. I've tried quite a few things from WhatsUp Beauty. I am wearing a blush and bronzer from them, and I have been these last 2 days. So there's a lot of cool things to check out over on their website. I hope you can find something that fits into your stash. Let me know what you thought of these looks and if this new palette is going to be in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.